There it is, the bad boy of the group. El Carbon Space Bike, just some of its nicknames. My Ibis Hakka MX.
Best part about this bike is doing fun shit like that.
A true pandemic bike, took months to source parts and assembled for me by Ben at Heath Creek Cycles in Northfield, Minnesota. Originally set up as a 1x and geared to ride in our mountains, it wasn't for me. Switched to a 2x Di2 setup, now it's full-on robot bike. 2x makes for easier transfer stages when you're connecting dirt trails. Stages power crank because, well, why not? Sun Dynamo Hub connected to a Supernova headlight and tail light for all-day rides. White Industries hub in the rear, match. Sweet half-frame bag made by yours truly. Basically an overly complicated dyno wire hiding device. Outer shell feed bag, best one out there in my opinion. Terravale Washburn tires are a great compromise for city and dirt roads.
All for that pinche shot. Alright.
Overall, super fun bike. Wish it had a bottle mount on the down tube, but that's my own bugaboo. Carbon isn't my normal jam, but when it's right, it's so damn right.
Buenos dias.
The Ibis Hakka MX. Solid all-rounder. Like, subscribe, catch you on the next one.